Hey yo, watch list going into July 16th. I think it should be fairly short and sweet here. Narrowed it down quite a bit. Some moves came in today off the back of the Donald Trump assassination attempt. DJT went up crazy pre-market, which really it moved because it's related to Donald Trump, but it had nothing to do with the actual company. There was no material change to it. So there's no real reason for this thing to be up. And then especially when you get sympathy plays like DATS and Fun. So they're just moving in sympathy with it. So it would just be kind of like piggybacking momentum. So I ended up choosing DATS and put some on here in the failed fall through momentum. Covered some, rescaled off the open, and covered some before I was leaving right around before 11 o'clock. I did go a bit lower, came back a little bit late day. If DJT keeps going lower, this one is a gap up, close below the open setup. So odds favor pops failing tomorrow. So see where we're at there. Lucid, and then what was the other one? Was it EVGO? Yeah. So kind of if you take both of them, one of them worked, one of them didn't. EVGO pull back off the open, ground all the way back. And then Lucid, the first red day, the pullback off the open, failed versus VWAP and faded the rest of the day. So nice first red day setup here, right into the 4 EMA and the 360s. Closed on lows. So the trade setup there has kind of come and gone. KTRA and OPTT, I put starters on both of those today. OPTT broke the lower high downtrend and broke through this little 40-cent multi-day consolidation. So I'll be risking here versus 34s, the daily gap fill level, and ideally the 10 EMA continues to hold. Don't love the week close, but starter for now, scale over 50 cents. Otherwise, I'll just take it off for a small loss. KTRA, same kind of idea. It's kind of getting tighter where these lower highs are converging versus the rising 20. And if this thing breaks over 30 cents, I think it could get going. And I just didn't want to chase a move like that. Also, sorry, I forgot to mention that OPTT had a PR this morning. So I was thinking maybe bring some volume into it, which it did. And then, so other than those two swings, KZIA, beautiful. I was looking for this kind of fade on the first red day. And then the day two is where it came in. But now we've had nice front side run going from 20 cents to 160, an 8x, a 700% run, easily fits my percentage gain criteria. And then 15 million shares traded today on a 50-cent close gives me about $7-8 million volume traded. Which easily fits my dollar volume requirement. We're coming right into prior support levels and a potential bounce back into this 80 cent to $1 range going into tomorrow. I'll either be looking for a green to red hold, a prior day hold, prior day slow hold, or a red to green move, opening range break, all those sorts of triggers that I always talk about, and look for a first green day bounce on this one tomorrow. And then AUR, big multi-day run here. Again, similar to Lucid, EVGO, SIRI, all those larger cap, thicker names that have been moving lately that in this current market have had decent red days. When they speed up relative to prior price action, they seem to have had decent pullbacks. Now extending here from the 4 EMA, coming into a prior looking left level. If this thing wants to gap up and exhaust through 5, that would be really nice. If this thing wants to go red and fail to follow through, good, but it'd be like a higher the better type scenario, and stalking that for a first red day. So I got two swings in KTRA, OPTT, first green day potential, and KZIA, first red day potential, and AUR, and possible fail fall through momentum on DATS as long as DJT continues to fail. So fairly straightforward plans for me tomorrow. See where we're gapping, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the room.